Hello, good afternoon. Introducing myself. My name Muhammad Dodi Kurniawan. You can call me Dodi. I was born in Bekasi 11 June 2000. I am currently 21 years old. Currently, I live in Mutiara Gading Timur, Bekasi City. I am the eldest of 2 siblings. My sister, named Shiva, is 10 years old, who is still in the 4th grade elementary school. My father works as an employee and my mother is a housewife. My hobbies are playing futsal and traveling to beautiful places. I recently went on vacation with a friend to climb Mount Gede in the Bogor area, West Java, for 2 days and 1 night. The quiet and cold atmosphere at night made everyone on the top of the mount enjoy the music, and some fell asleep quietly from exhaustion. For those who are hungry when climbing the mountain or at the top, there are stalls managed by residents around the slopes of the mountain to meet consumption needs of the climbers, such as hot tea, instant noodle, and fruits. I work in one of the company engines in the automotive sector in the South Asia division. The company's address is in the MM 2100 area. My favorite food is fried rice, and my favorite drink is warm orange. My motivation to continue my education at Institut Teknologi Budi Utomo is to major in mechanical engineering to gain insight and experience and to prepare myself to get the job I dream and can be more useful for the wider community. Thanks.